Hey everyone, Curtis in on the back wheel. Welcome to the back of Mount Glorious. I'm heading home and I'm going to be fucking having fun. This is one of my favourite segments of road in Queensland that I've ridden too. And as I say, there's shit like this on the road. But it is past some bumps and shit in places. What you learn, man? Brilliant. Hopefully I can get a couple of knee downs and keep going. A bit like Derek Finland today. I can't turn left. I'll be dragging this one. We'll see up here. I'll probably have a couple of touchdowns. When it comes to the left, I'm a bit shaky. So just practicing that a bit. Traction control. Smooth as fast as smooth. Don't like that one. Or something here, is it? Yeah, another one for these. Oh. And there ends the fun parts. Now it goes boring as shit. Oh. You've really got to be careful in the back of Mount Glorious because from here on, there's wet patches. You can see all the leaf litter and shit here. And there'll be sticks on the road. Yeah, you better off just taking it easy. From there onwards and then towards Fernvale, it's brilliant. Besides some rough roads in a couple of corners, it's brilliant. But from here, no. Yeah, I'm pretty lucky. I live pretty much at the bottom of this hill, or maybe 5 minutes from it. Bottom of Mount Glorious. And one thing you've got to be careful of at Mount Glorious and Mount Nebo now, which is the next one over, is the Popo. They're renowned out here to be pretty ruthless, and some of them are a bit nasty. They don't have much personality. The grandmother, See, here is where it starts. The roads will be wet. You know, well, most of the time. And then they go to shit. Like, this is nice paved road. Further up, I'll show you. Hey, look at this shit. Part of being in a forest, I suppose. Another thing they have here is an abundance of wildlife. Just to make it. That's got to be one of the best sounds in the world, that. Popping and banging between gears. So yeah, to add to the roads that are often wet and covered in leaves and shit, you get critters running out. Furry friends. Speaking of which, I hit a furry friend the other day. One of our native Australians, the koala, was riding to work and ran out onto the road, one of these little pricks. And I saw it, jumped on the brakes, locked up the rear, had a bit of a slide out, hang on, then I thought, oh yep, he's stopped. We're right here, he stopped. But then he did like the goose step. He went, oh, bam, straight under the bike. Thankfully, he only hit the my foot in the foot peg and didn't go under the rear wheel. I pulled over, had a look, and I'll give it this, man, those koalas are tough. He just shook his head off, got himself together and ran back across the road. He kept on crossing. Good on him. I was lucky he didn't go under the rear wheel, this koala, because well, I had the rear wheel locked and I was a little bit canted sideways, nothing out of control. But if it was to go under the rear wheels on top of that, yeah, you never know what's going to happen. So lucky I was watching and saw the bastard. And one thing, they're bigger than you think. They're like a small dog. Pretty solid. And, certainly knew I clipped him. Probably certainly knew I'd clipped him too. Give him the fright of his life, poor guy. Turkey. See what I mean? Turkeys, fucking... Pretty sure there's a wallaby sign up here too. What's that, mist? That's lovely. That's beautiful. That's just serenity. Oh, fuck me. That looks rough. The western window. Let's have a quick look at the western window. It's pretty nice. Did anyone else hear that? Is it a person being stabbed or some kind of animal? Yep, there it was again. Weird. You know, it'd really suck is if I drop my key right now. Oh man, I can't deal with that sound. I'm out of here. Time to hear the sweet sounds of the Aprilia. Oh, there she is, stalking me, waiting. The Italian mistress. What a gorgeous machine. I'm going to wrap this up. Make sure you subscribe. I'm going to keep trying to do heaps of videos. Now I'm getting my head around, you know, sound and editing and stuff like that. Jump on my Facebook and the website as well. Look at that little slide. Look at me just ruining the joint, aren't I? Bad Aprilia. You bought it out of me. I'm going to head home. I'll see you guys next time. Alright, catch ya.